Babes, what you want to eat? You're
Steam
not
some,
hungry?
steam some fish and some crackers, man.
You love that
I
thing?
don't feel like more than every feed.
Okay. Alright then. I'm going to the kitchen.
I'm there some man.
Yo. Hey, baby girl, me I tell you, you know, I see that kind of vibe when you pull off which night there. Hey, trust me. Make me feel like me want just, you know what I mean? I don't know if I explain to you, like a suicide thing without you right now. You know? Can't live without you. But guess what? Me like exactly what go on. I mean, need to continue to go on, you know what I mean? Because you, to me, are the one for me. And regardless of anything, yo, you just have to make it work for you. Yeah? So do what you have to do, because me, I go do what me, I go do. Cause that the feeling there. Ja, 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 ja. Mwah. Make sure we see you later, alright? Alright. Text me back and let me know what, man, alright? Brother, so you have to talk to the girl, you know. So you have to reason with the girl and let them know, say, yo, I'm special. Because I guess, you know, at the end of the day, sometimes when a girl I date you and see you at night, it's by morning, them a think, say, I wonder if him forget me and all these things. So you have to revitalize that spiritual feeling and a connection. You see, that kind of vibe when you pull off which night then, hey, trust me, let me feel like I want to just, you know what I mean? I don't know if I explain to you, like a suicide thing without you right now, you know? Can't live without you. But guess what? I like exactly what I want. I mean, need to continue to go on, you know what I mean? Because you, to me, are the one.
Public.
And regardless of anything, yo, you just have to make it work for you, yeah? So do what you have to do, because I go do what I go do. Because that's the feeling there. Ah! Ja, 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 ja. All this social media thing on me affair. Oh, this is coming like a curse. My God. Miss Candy, I want to apologize for sending this message. It's the wrong person. It was not supposed to be you. I was talking to a friend of mine, right? And just delete the message. I'm very sorry. It's a big mistake, alright? I'm sorry. Brother, you don't know what I'm going. Are the wrong somebody me send a message to? You see, that's why I'm going to trust them phone here, brother. Sometimes them phone can just do all kind of crazy stuff and you know, yo, this a mash up my thing right now, because I guess I know. I'm a virgin woman this year. And if this a go to the wrong ears, may I tell you say this a non go sweet.
Yo, where may I virgin? Where the woman fight you? May I virgin call me a virgin, but I dead woman you.
Brother.
Can I hear that part that you bring off king?
No, not like that. No, listen to me. Hear me out. And, yo, I kid you not under the tree right now. You know what I mean? Be a fool in that tree right now. Believe me, brother. Nothing like that. It's a mistake. It's an honest mistake.
Where come to about mistake after me see text them? I'm here if I smoke enough. I'm here have a phone, brother.
Listen to me, I say. It's a mistake, brother. It's an honest mistake. I guess I know. It's just that at the CMC.
And a fight smoke, but you not do something.
No, man.
The rock on the rampant me and you.
No, brother. I'm not cross them bones. Yo, you see me? Friend a friend. Me do them thing, brother. Too much
long time me here for you know.
Exactly. So you soon even think that.
Let me find out say you text woman again. And I come to yo, me mash up your phone, mash up she and mash up you. That me I tell her. Matter of fact, friendship done in a brother.
Far we are come from, we are talking about friendship done. And yes, we are start. You see me I talk about. Check his second voice note, brother. I'm not under yo. You see me I talk about. Yo, me tell you say it's a mistake, it's an honest mistake. That's why sometimes I don't trust them social media thing, you know. Come there, I tell you say, yo, the thing go off. See? And at the initial. Yo, I'm sure you were going to before even yo, my brethren a long time you roll, my brethren. And then guess I know it's not like a yes way I roll from a long time I roll. And it's a mistake and the man can't miss a mistake. I mean yo, the evidence is there. The second voice note did it, but me send right after to make them know say it's a mistake.
How we do today? Babe, so where you did there? How you look so?
How I look so?
What happened?
I mean,
I can't talk to me.
see man I text your phone, you know see.
Which man I text me
I
phone?
mean, public, me see I text your phone, you know. Yeah, you think I joke me and make a public, me see I text your phone. Like you and him go do something last night. I won't not deal with. Look how long me and the man apart, and I him.
I want make you go on so.
I mean,
I judge me wrongfully.
Let me look in your phone. Look in your phone now.
I'm looking at my phone. 'Cause you are one of them when you search woman phone and love judge people wrongfully. Sure.
Miss Candy, I want to apologize for sending this message. It's the wrong person. It was not supposed to be you. I was talking to a friend of mine, right? And just delete the message. I'm very sorry. It's a big mistake, all right? I'm sorry.
You see you love judge people?
Listen next voice note. One next voice note in there. See there. Listen to one there.
Don't touch my phone. Come not like man who love search woman phone.
Hey, baby girl, me I tell you, you know. Hey, baby girl, me I tell you, you know. You see, that kind of vibe the way you pull off which night there. Hey, trust me. Make me feel like I want just, you know what I mean? I don't know if I explain to you, like a suicide thing without you right now. You know? Can't live without you. But guess what? I like exactly what going on. I mean, need to continue to go on, you know what I mean? Because you, to me, are the one for me. And regardless of anything, yo, you just have to make it work for you, yeah? So do what you have to do, because I go do what I go do. Because that the feeling there, ja. Mwah. Make sure we see you later, alright? Alright, yeah, later. Text me back and let me know what I'm going, alright?
So you believe?
Sorry, babes. Sorry, man. Really, I shouldn't even have going on your phone, because I'm on the search on my phone, you know. Should me there sound the text just come in, you see me?
So you think
I
say
forgot
me,
tell all the man, I
me
forgot
if
apologize
accept,
to all it.
me must accept your apology.
I'm sorry,
What you doing
babes.
on my phone? You don't know say man no fi search woman phone and you're going on my phone. You see, uno, I bet say for me did go in your phone that cause argument.
Alright, I'm sorry, babes, man. John no sorry. Sorry, man. Sorry, me not do that again.
You always a judge me
Never go back
wrongfully.
out there, go sorry, go apologize to him. And then I come back and meet the food.
Look
Yeah.
how far you gone. Suppose the man did lick you down.
Don't worry yourself, man. Me everything cover, man. Yeah, sorry, man. You know that. A long time we know what I be, man. What I be, man. What I be, man. I apologize, I come to apologize. But I'm sorry, brother, man. What I be, man.
I mean, I said to myself, really and truly, you shouldn't even look funny from the angle, because Anna Yassa where you start from, Anna Yassa. I've far where I come from. See? And based on the facts, I tell you, say, yo, it's an honest mistake, because there are certain codes where, you know what I mean, a bridge and you know, wouldn't take.
Sorry, Skate. I don't know if I've looked on it from a perspective, but we are feeling still. You see me, daddy?
Then I mean,
have to make our approach there.
Enough woman there, brother. Me no want fear woman, and you no want female woman, because I feel where I come from. You know what I mean? Me or you go look woman and wait when we, you know what I mean, go apart and enjoy ourselves. But understand, say, hold on, man. Yo, you see that next thing. You see, if you want to listen to it, you don't understand where I'm going. But guess what? Just you have to can't trust your brother. You know where I come from, brother.
But the fact that is you make a mistake still, you see?
Yeah.
That's that still, you know, we are friends still, you see me? What may be, man?
A real talk. Well, as I said before, it's an honest mistake, brother. You know what I mean? This is thing there.
And two chat it, man. Everything done different. We are breaking now.
Wash me.
I'm
Done
going
this
to
one.
hear all away about the situation.
Yeah, because, you know, you should don't know, say, how far where I come from and the thing is said certain way.
Still on where you text our phone still.
You know what you say? Average run for life, man. So,
Yeah.
yeah, man, brother. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Shut down, brother.